So tell me what you like. Cause you did your hit unit. You made this for the first time. This is your first time on a sewing machine.
Mm-hmm. I feel like I know how to never use a sewing machine before. I know how to use a sewing machine now. So that's number one.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't know none of the numbers. I don't know how nothing works. But I know how to do it now without even. I can think about it, but it's like naturally coming to me.
Oh, okay.
I just feel like anything is possible.
So guys, you have to understand she's kind of like speechless because she's staring at this unit like she cannot believe she just made this unit.
Yes, I like you see me, like I can't look away. Like I'm just staring at it. Like
she's like I can't believe this. Like I can't believe I just made this wig.
And I did it.
Mm-hmm. You want to take it off and see the inside and see your stitches?
Yes, let's do that.
Cause you know you did that.
Like
Flat, right? Neat, right? Even though you holding it bunched up.
Yeah,
but...
hold on. Let me fix it. Hold on. Let me get it right. Am I doing it right? Holding it right?
It's okay.
Okay.
She's just holding it, but if we turn it to the side, you can see her stitches are straight and they're flat. And she got her hand under there. That's why you see. She's holding. Like, she holding it, so you can't really see.
Oh my god! Like I did it. Like I'm amazed.
Why?
Because you just was rocking with me. Like I never.
Hey.
And like I completed it. You know?
I wanna rock with you.
Woo. I can't drop Teresa. That's her name.
Oh, her name's Teresa?
Yes.
Okay, Teresa.
Yes, you know how Jesus had Teresa to help him.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, Teresa.
Okay.